Gorgeous weekend, a gorgeous day today, although it was a little bit warmer as high temperatures got up above average, but still very pleasant. 69 our current temperature. Humidity has been low, but the winds have been shifting direction. That is a sign of some changes on the way. Today's high 71, and I'm usually the first one to complain about it being too warm, but very nice afternoon. And our morning low was right about average, and in fact had some upper 30s well north shore. That won't be the case tomorrow morning. With that wind now coming off of the Gulf, the humidity will be rising, so temperatures won't be able to get as chilly, and we could see some patchy fog. At the moment, we're in the mid to upper 60s, some low 70s heading out this evening with dew points in the 40s and 50s. Again, that's a pretty dry air mass, but that will start changing because now with winds coming off of the Gulf, humidity will begin to rise. And as that happens, may start to see some patchy fog. Don't think it's going to be an issue through the evening and night tonight, but after midnight and going into early tomorrow morning, this is at 3:30, patchy areas of fog and at times may have some reduced visibilities where it's a little bit more of a hazard on the road. Not that I think it's going to be a widespread issue, but still some patchy areas as we get the morning started tomorrow. A sign of some changes. Another sign of some changes is that we have a big ridge of high pressure that has allowed for a pretty significant warm up across much of the south central United States, including parts of the high plains. That will continue into the next couple of days before we're watching an upper disturbance, which is setting up to our west. With that high, we enjoyed mostly sunny skies this weekend and today, but that also starts to change as we get into the day tomorrow. Notice kind of a southwesterly flow out to our west. This is in conjunction with an upper trough. This upper trough is going to take its sweet time to move on through, and as it does, it'll start by increasing our rain chances on Wednesday. As this upper trough begins to kind of slowly move and almost gets cut off from the upper energy to its north, we'll start to bring in rainfall. Now, that being cut off is kind of key because that slows this system down and actually allows for another upper trough to deepen, which means we kind of stay under cloudy skies going into Thursday once all the rainfall ends, and for Friday. But by Friday, a deeper upper trough is going to sweep on through. This is the colder air mass, and this is a more significant drop in our temperatures for next weekend. So by tonight and especially tomorrow, we'll begin to see an increase in cloud cover. And I got about a 20% chance for a few isolated showers, as some of the models are indicating tapping into that Gulf moisture might allow for a few showers to pop up. Not a great deal of rainfall, but a few spotty showers during the day. Then most of our rainfall Wednesday, and this is in pretty good agreement with a lot of the computer models, that we'll start off the day Wednesday mostly dry. Then as we head into the latter part of the afternoon and evening, we'll begin to see kind of a line of showers and some thunderstorms rolling through into the night. And because of that upper pattern, we may keep some showers into the overnight hours heading into early Thursday morning and spotty showers during the day Thursday. Now with that rainfall on Wednesday, low end threat for a few isolated strong to severe storms. I don't think it's going to be a very dramatic or widespread issue. And then also for Wednesday, the threat for some localized street flooding. It looks like overall the rainfall accumulations will be manageable with the excess of maybe an inch plus on the North Shore and in Mississippi, but even that, I don't think it's going to be a widespread concern. So maybe some localized flooding, maybe an isolated strong to severe storm Wednesday going into early Thursday, but that would be about it. Notice kind of a gradual drop in temperatures. We're near 80 degrees Wednesday, then in the mid 60s by Thursday, then Friday will stay in the 50s. Saturday for the parades, it is going to stay chilly and breezy. It's possible some spots Saturday afternoon won't get out of the 40s. I have us in the low 50s because of sunshine, but notice a couple of mornings of near freezing temperatures as we head into both Saturday and Sunday morning.